Yesterday I got 100th place, so obviously I'm gonna want to redeem myself today. Are you serious? You saw me. Come on. Just push me. Come on. I got all the shotguns. I don't need to do this. Come on. Another guy. Right. That was not fun. Where are you at? Oh man, I'm blowing up. Ah! Are you serious? Alright, he's gonna have to dig through. Got a gun? You're dead. Thanks for the shotgun. Are you kidding me? Well, he brought the pump shotgun to me. Alright, he's pushing. Serious? Are you kidding me? If I just stayed behind my little rock, maybe I would have won. But no, I had to go out there and build and be fancy. I could have just stayed behind my rock, waited for him to come, and pumped him in the face. Whoa! Well, he was really injured. Here's one. Hi. Would you like to get sniped? Well, that was easy. Man, all these kills are getting too easy right now. Oh. Did I hit him? Ow. Frick you. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it now. Run, get back, get back, get back. You can come push me if you want, but I'm not fighting you right now. It's a weird fight. Is that all you have? What? You tricked me! You made me think all you had was a grenade launcher and then you one-pumped me in the face. Why? Why would you try to trick me like that? And why did I actually fall for it? Who am I asking these questions to? Stupid trees in the way. Are you kidding me? Oh no, he's a good carbide. Why did I box myself in? There we go, die. Okay. What? Someone walked into my trap. Someone walked into my trap. Are you kidding me right now? Well, that's strange. Someone walked into my trap. Let's go pay you a visit. Why would you walk into my trap? That seems not very smart. Someone walked into my trap. Who walked into my trap? Wow. Well, you brought me mini shields. That's nice. Someone's here. Are you kidding me? Well, hi. That was not. Oh god. That scared the life out of me. It's in the bush. Ow. He's getting shot at for someone else, right? I think. Don't you dare rush me. Why did I reveal my location? Alright, med kit. He's distracted. Come on, someone's right there. What is happening? So many people. Ah! Guys need to chill. My gosh, what is going on here? Give me that blue tag. Oh my gosh, so many people. So many freaking people. Stop. Stop. Please stop. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Just like sneak over here. Snag some materials. Please let me use these minis. So many freaking people. Minis. What is going on? Are you kidding me? Who do I want to kill? Mission minigun. That was the worst possible spot ever. Ow! Hey, headshots are better than regular shots, boy. I don't think you got the memo. Did I run Salty Springs? Can a man eat apples in peace? Seriously? Seriously? Can you go away? Die, Omega! Oh my gosh, another person! Are you kidding me? Go away, everybody! Oh my gosh! Can I just have my loot in peace? Why is there always 20 people over here at once? Die. Ow! Stop. Please. It's like a horror game sometimes. I'm out of material. Come over here. Seriously, you're like a horror movie character or something. You're just hiding, popping up, shooting me out of nowhere, going back into hiding. I don't know what you were doing. That freaked the life out of me. So that's an unupgraded Omega. See those very often? What? Where are the guns at? Seriously, where are all the guns at? What the heck? No, no, run, run. Get me out of there. Alright, that was easy. Think you can run from me? I'm coming for you. Where did you go? No, 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 you're not gonna disappear on me. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Man. Just mini. I'm not okay with you blowing up this place. And I'm dead. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I had that game all planned out. I was gonna win that game. Why did I chase after you? Hi, I got a rocket launcher. Oh my gosh! Just rocket launcher. Are you serious? Well, looks like the video is gonna end with me killing myself with a rocket 2 times in a row. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure, as always, to like, comment, subscribe, and put me in, coach.
Nope. Nope.
This kid.
Bruh.
Nice feels. Everybody.
Nope.
We're on 1914.
Bruh.